Hello everybody, in today's video I will explain to you how to download a video from Facebook in just 2 simple steps. Okay, but for those of you who haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe first. Okay, let's talk about the tutorial. First, you have to copy link of video that you want to download from Facebook. Open the Facebook app and just find a video. After that, click 3 dot on the top right corner of the video, then click copy link. Second step. Just close your Facebook app, then go to your browser. In your browser app, go to snapsave.app. The link of this website I will put on the description box, so you can click that link after watch this video. Okay, in this website you just need to paste the link of video that you want to download from Facebook. Then, click download. This website will give you some resolution that you can choose from lowest until highest. In this tutorial I just need HD resolution, so just download the video. That's all how to download a video from Facebook in just 2 simple steps. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on the next video.